Jonique, making it look unique, and welcome back to my channel. If you guys are new, my name is Jonique and I create fashion related content, and I also do some vlogs so you can get to know me on a personal level. But in today's video, as you can see, I am in my closet and it's looking like a hot mess right now. It's around that time of year when you're bringing in new fall pieces, so I need to do a closet clean out. I thought it would be very fun video to show you guys how I'm going to redesign my closet, as well as I got some new hangers from IKEA, some black hangers, so we're going to be going for a different look. But stay tuned for the video. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, share, turn on your post notifications, and let's just get right into it. I've been meaning to clean out my closet for the longest, just because I'm not a hoarder, but I do keep pieces. Like, I think I'm going to wear them, but I don't wear them, if you know what I'm talking about. I do have pieces that were 2, 3, 4 years back, just because I'm like, oh yeah, this isn't gonna come in season or come in style again, so I might as well just hold on to it so I can have it just in case. And I'd be running out of space, and we can't have that because every season we need some new pieces. Or I'm trying to actually renovate my closet where I'm bringing more essential pieces, simple pieces, basic pieces that I can wear for multiple seasons to come. I did get some new hangers from IKEA because I'm trying to go for that like boutique look, that bougie closet, and the white hangers aren't doing it for me. It's just giving nothing. These hangers, they come in a pack of 8, and I think they were about $5. So head over to IKEA if you're looking for affordable black wooden hangers. These are more sustainable. They'll last you a longer time compared to like these plastic ones. They just break too easily and I can't put too much clothes on them. But I'm super excited for this closet clean out.
2 hours later.
In this clip, you guys can't really see what I'm doing, but I'm trying to figure out if I should keep these items or which ones I should donate. So I created 2 separate piles, a keeps pile and a donates pile, just to make it a lot easier for me to clean out my closet, and also when it comes to me putting the clothes back on the hangers. So y'all, this is what it's looking like so far. This is the keeps. These are the whole bunch of hangers. I don't know, I might throw these away or I might give them away. And these would be the donate pile, or possibly some I might sell. We're almost halfway done. I'm deciding if I want to keep this or not. I might just trash it, and all my outerwear and my pants. In this clip, I'm taking all my clothes and putting it in the donation pile. I decided to donate my clothes to Florida Breast Cancer Foundation just because it was the right fit for me. I did learn that they take all the gently used items and recycle them to put money towards the research for cancer patients. If this seems to interest you, definitely donate to organizations like this, Goodwill, Salvation Army, if you have gently used items that you don't want to use, because you never know, you can save many lives by just doing that. We're almost done. I know it's looking like a mess, but I wanted to sort sweatpants with sweatpants, cargos with cargos, dress pants, dress suit pants, regular pants, leathers, everything like that. These are all my tops, all my outerwear. I might cut that section down a little bit. These are all my jumpers, bodysuits, dresses, and my sets. I'm going to organize all of this and put it on the hangers. this is the progress that we are right now. So I have my sets here leading into my blacks, into my neutral colors, simple basic white tops, my bustier tops, sleeveless, into my sleeves, jackets, into outerwear that I would actually wear. Up here is my darker jeans, my distressed skinny jeans, my mom jeans, cargo pants, army pants, sweatpants, and short shorts. So this is how far I have gotten. These are my bags. I will be putting my sneakers up here. It's gonna take me a little while. I didn't think it was gonna be so time consuming, but I will show you the full closet when I'm finished.
The next day.
Are you guys ready for this reveal? Welcome to my brand new closet. Now, these are my graphic tees. So in the middle, I have my cropped graphics. Into my longer graphics, I have my multi-print dresses, halter dresses. And a key tip too, when you're organizing your closets, you can double up on the blacks to add a separation to the different categories. So as you can see, I put 2 black dresses here just so it can separate between the halter dresses and the regular razor back dresses. So that's a key tip that I have that I can give you. So with the neutral tone colors, long sleeve dresses. Over here is my rompers, mini skirts into dress pants. These are all my beautiful purses. I organized them by the cut of the bag. So I have my big bags into my small bags. Up here, I'm going to put some hats up here. I have some sneakers. I don't have much, but I will be adding more to that collection. Now, to the left of the closet, these are going to be my cardigans. I know I don't have much cardigans, but I will be adding to it. I have my hoodie sweaters, jackets, leather jackets, and these are all my blazer. And I feel that I did an amazing job. I feel like you can tell the difference completely just even with the hangers. The black hangers does add a nice elegant look to the closet. Now for the floor, all I did was put my shoes down here, my combat boots, my slippers, my sandals into my heels. All in all, thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up and comment down below if you like this closet clean out. I know it's something different on my channel and I want to give you guys a variety of different things on this platform. But thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, share, turn on your post notifications, and stay tuned for many more videos. So thank you guys so much and have a wonderful rest of your day. Bye guys.
We'll be right back.